Okay, we're going to go into a tournament here. Add player. Just load a. Just use a pro. That's what I'm going to do. That'll do, mate. That looks like me, doesn't it, folks? Chris Barnes. I actually know a guy called Chris Barnes. So I'm going to go in as Chris Barnes. Okay, done. Okay. Bow. Let's add another player. I'm going to go Chris Barnes versus Mike Albee. Let's add another player. Let's use Linda Norrie. She looks like she was a bit saucy back in the day. Let's look at that smile. Okay, let's bow. It's Chris Barnes here, right away, folks. So I'm going to go that way and then I'm going to try and. Right. That didn't go well, did it? But he's got a nice pair of trousers on, so all is good. Look at that. What's going on here? Let's just hit that. Chris Barnes showing an absolute quality here to get a 7 there. Mike Albee is next. That's what's going on here. I'm just going to aim there. Mike Albee just showing quality here. It's going to go. I'm going to go on the inside there. This is how Mike Albee rolls. And that's where I get strike after strike every time. That's the celebration you get out of this game, folks. This is Brunswick Bowling 2. Linda Norrie, who we all know is going to be a bit saucy, is up next. Wow, that face. The shorts, the face, she's got it all, folks. Look at that. She looks like she's had some sort of accident, didn't she? This is what you used to get with PlayStation 1. Everyone, we used to think at the time they looked like how would realism improve from this? That's how with the strike, folks. When in actual fact, they all look like they've been in some sort of very serious accident that involves either fire or acid. Right, now we're playing this game, we're actually starting to get a few strikes on here, folks. This is, even though I don't really know what I'm doing, it's like 2 skill stops. It is strangely satisfying. Bit of a split there. Look at that one rolling on. I'm going to try and get, I just want to, there we go, let's move across this side. I'll give it an angle on it some. There we go. Perfect. Oh. So here she comes again. Fans' favourite, Linda. Look at her. She's beaut. She's an absolute beaut, this babe. She's the babe of the bowling ring, bowling alleys. That style, smoothness. She's got a split. She hasn't got any split ends though, folks, because she is absolutely rock gorgeous, isn't she? She got her hair from Murder, She Wrote. Chris Barnes up here, folks. This guy's leading the way at the moment. Absolute awesome bowler. Bit of a split there. Wasn't really expecting that. Just get the just wants to get what's in front of him here. Don't worry about the 3. Just get the 2. That'll do. Well, folks, we're going to run out of battery pretty soon. This is Brunswick Bowling 2 on the PlayStation 1, being played on the PlayStation Classic. This is actually, Mate Emmanuel says it's decent, isn't it? This is not decent, this is okay. This is not rubbish, it's okay. We're going to go through just a couple more bows here. So, Linda Norrie coming up then. We just want to show Linda finishing off this style, then we can see if we can save this. We're going to move her right across here. This is Linda now. This is the style of the chick from the alley, and there's a strike. Thanks very much, folks. So that's it, folks. Let's see if we can save it mid-game. Brunswick Circuit. That is Brunswick Circuit Pro Bowling 2. Brought to you on PlayStation 1, being played on PlayStation Classic. That's a keeper. That ain't a bad game, so I'll do a bowling collage because I've got 3 bowling games on here. We'll see if any of the others can beat that. Catch you guys on the bowling smolling flip side. I couldn't have said it better myself.